This is part 3 of your STARS assessment. Please fill out your name, first, last name, earth science class period. As you move on to section 1 of the actual test. This is your reference table A. You'll be using it to answer questions 1 through 5 below. Question 1. Which of the following characteristics is the reason Cebulus has a bright apparent magnitude? Is it A, distance from Earth, B, temperature, C, size? Question 2. Which of the following characteristics is the most likely cause of Veliton having a high luminosity? A, distance from Earth, B, temperature, C, size. Question 3. Which star has a brighter luminosity? A, Ribis, or B, Gomer? Which star has a higher luminosity, Gomer or Cebulus? Question 5. Which star would have the brightest apparent magnitude? A, the Sun, B, Ribis, C, Gomer. Section 2 of your test. You'll be using this HR diagram, which you've seen before, to answer the questions below. Question 6. In which position on the HR diagram will the Sun occupy during its next phase in life? A, upper left, B, lower left, C, upper right. Question 7. White dwarfs have an average surface temperature of 14,000 Kelvin. What is the most likely reason for them to have a low luminosity? A, white dwarfs are very small. B, 14,000 Kelvin is actually a low temperature for a star. Or C, white dwarfs actually have a high luminosity. Question 8. Betelgeuse is 10 to 20 times as massive as the Sun. What will likely happen or has happened to Betelgeuse that will not happen to our Sun? A, Betelgeuse will create many elements during its life. B, Betelgeuse will fuse iron in its core and will supernova towards the end of the life. Or C, Betelgeuse has increased in size and turned red toward the end of its life. Question 9. Which of the following is not a factor when a star is forming? A, high atmospheric pressure. B, the presence of a nebula. Or C, rotation. 10. A star that is thought to be born when A, protostar reaches a temperature high enough for nuclear fusion to begin. B, increasing heat within a supergiant causes gravity to be greater than pressure. Or C, a contestant wins America's Got Talent. That is the whole Google form. If you have any questions, please reach out.